Ladies and gentlemen, because we have too much time on our hands and we like to play games, it's time for a quick round of Manufacturing Pictionary.
Yeah. Let's get it.
Let's do it.
All right.
I hate art so much.
Awesome.
Game time.
Can't wait. I want to walk all over the place. I want to check
Okay,
everything
so
out.
I'm supposed to draw a card.
I saw the comment.
Okay.
Who made the
All
comment?
right,
at the
gang,
plastic?
let's go.
Ready, Jim? Okay.
I think we've got a right here.
Everybody stays there except the Tiki. Oh, God, I just said things on camera.
Do I need the cards?
Oh no.
Manufacturing Pictionary. Let's get it.
Yeah. So we are supposed to. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were drawing.
I thought I was drawing.
So who's gonna give me the?
I am drawing.
Okay.
Okay.
So I can hold, I'll give them the marker, just like not to keep doing it. I'll hold their mics.
Okay. Are we ready, guys?
Let's get it.
Did you have coffee? All of you guys? Okay, excellent. How are you good? Are you good at drawing? Okay. They're not supposed to see. Come this way. This way.
I can't see nothing, I promise.
Okay.
Ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Come on.
Okay. All right. Let's see.
Industry 4.0.
Highway.
Smart factory?
More than a buzzword. This is the most well-written picture I've ever seen in my life.
Well.
Digital
A
transformation.
picture says 1,000 words, Chris, but I think words are better than pictures.
Digital
think so,
factory.
too.
Almost, Sammy. You're going the right direction.
What did Sammy say?
Industry 4.0. Smart factory. Digital.
Doctor.
Digital thread? Digital doctor
A jackal. A jackal. Is it a jackal?
Digital security.
You're going the right direction, yes?
Digital security? Cyber security?
Digital. Is the word digital one of the words?
She can't say.
I can give you that.
Digital
Come on,
thread.
guys. Digital what?
Digital transformation. Digital factory.
Digital
Digital
dough.
manufacturing. Digital automation.
Wellness?
Digital health.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go. Perfect. Digital health. Excellent.
And
we got one.
Chris
You're
is
an
so good, he didn't
excellent-
even need a picture.
Next one, Jacob. Your turn. Let's see how much of an artist are you when it comes to drawing.
Let's see how well you can
Okay.
write.
Uh-oh. We talked about this term,
Am I good
so
to go?
yes.
A box.
Factory.
Coffee.
It's a robot.
Robot.
Oh.
Fry lock.
Robot arm.
Yes.
Robot arm. Robot thought. Smart robot. Artificial intelligence.
There you go.
Yeah.
Sammy, that other
makes
side of
sense.
your hair is going to turn red very soon as well. Look at that. Excellent. Great job, guys. Next one, Chris.
All right.
Your turn to draw.
I've never succeeded in drawing anything in my life. I'm so happy.
Oh, you guys are good.
I was about to try to draw a brain.
That's good.
There you go.
You did great.
Chris just draws a beer can.
All right, Chris.
Bud Light. Happy hour.
Craft beer.
Fall Out Boy.
Keep trying, keep trying.
Material handling?
E-commerce. Packaging. Palletization.
It's a box. What can Brown do for you?
Think outside the box.
Oh my gosh.
Roll Tide.
Is it a cube?
It's a semiconductor.
It has to be packaging.
It's a box in a box.
A box in a
Packaging.
box.
It's
Outside the
in a
box.
Could be a box, could be something else.
Fumble.
We got some
Packaging.
technical difficulties back there.
Cube.
Almost.
Smart cube.
What is-
No.
A little bit above smart, guys.
It's not palletizing. It's not material handling. It's not packaging. It's not box
What do we
folding.
do always do?
Westpac. Packaging.
No packaging, no box. No.
What do we always do? It?
Documentation? Digital
Technical
documentation?
writer.
Technical, right? Yeah.
ERP.
Program.
Writing.
Programming.
Digital
Design.
database.
CAD cam. Master cam. Hey.
Digital supply chain.
CNC.
Mechanical
I think
engineering.
Chris is not
order.
doing a very good job drawing this.
Flash mob.
Beer. Tortilla.
It's squiggly lines and a three-dimensional
bar.
box.
Stock.
Um,
Raw material.
We're not gonna let you off the hook, guys.
supply
Is
chain
there
document.
another way to draw, Chris? Is there another way to draw or help us think about what you're doing here?
You
Is that
can
a light?
always write a word like Ann did.
Tatiki, what is
That's
it?
what is that?
Help us.
Anne's got the cheat code. Respectfully. Nothing but respect.
What is that?
Oh, yeah, that helped us. Good
And
job.
let me tell you, he's doing a good job, okay?
I'm
Poor
sure he
Chris.
is.
He's
It's
actually
you
doing
are
a
doing
good
a
job.
good
not
job.
you, it's us.
It is.
Are you just
It's
killing
pretty
time?
clear and forward.
Design? Does it, like, I don't know,
Dude,
CAD?
this is
Is
wild.
that a chart?
3D drawing? Print? Blueprint?
3D drawing.
Blueprint.
Blueprint.
3D printing.
3D printing.
Oh,
Who said it?
Ah.
Yes. 3D printing. Thank you, Chris. You were right.
Okay. All right.
Oh my god.
Okay, we got 'em
Yeah,
all.
good job.
Oh, sorry. See, I was trying to be like Prince, like the
Your
Okay.
turn, Drew.
Hold on, let me get my drawing hand ready. All right.
Okay, no pressure, Drew.
Yeah, no pressure.
Let's get this done in 3 seconds, okay? It's an easy one.
That was so stressful.
You did great.
Alrighty, there we go.
Great job.
I hope we have an extra one of those lights also.
Oh. Yikes. Let's see.
Packaging?
Wow.
Packaging.
Wow. Who got it? You,
Good
Chris?
job, Jacob.
No, that was, I think
That
it was
was Jacob?
Jacob.
Nice. Smart people. I love it.
That was
I think,
good.
Was it? Okay, was that Drew or was that Jacob? Who
That
won?
was me.
Jacob.
I know, but I'm just giving a hard time. Good job. Okay, what are we doing, hon? Who's the next? Would that be Sammy, right?
Should be Sammy.
Sammy, but I don't have a card for
Come
Sammy.
on.
Sammy, come here. Okay, come here.
If they would have made art class this fun in school, I would have paid attention.
I'm still really how I actively drew 3D printing while it was printing the box. That was the best thing I could come up with after we weren't getting anywhere.
Alrighty, here we go. Last one, but not least.
All right, let's go, Sammy. You got this.
A robot arm.
Robot, yeah.
Yep.
Robotics.
Woo!
Nice.
Okay, perfect.
go.
Now we get some salsa dancing. Oh no, wait, that's not in the program.
Hit the music. Cue
Let's hit the music.
Let's
Woohoo!
go, Chris.
So who's better at the Pictionary? What do you guys think is better?
At drawing or guessing?
That's a good question.